Hello, I'm Dana Hart. My specialty is in neurogenetics with an emphasis on the neurotransmitter oxytocin. This video is going to be a little bit different because I'm not responding directly to a scientific article. This time I would like to talk about some common themes found in the related field of psychology. Some topics of interest in psychology which affect many people are the problem of narcissistic abuse, highly sensitive people, empaths, borderline personality disorder, and also the more medical diagnosis of autism. The oxytocin receptor gene, rs53576, has three possible alleles or versions. The ancestral copy, which is thought to be what the earliest humans and most mammals before them have, has two Gs, one on each DNA strand. This is thought to be a recessive gene because people with at least one A as their allele perform generally worse on all measures of empathy in lab experiments. The two other polymorphisms have one or both of this position on the DNA strand filled by an A instead of a G. Because of this, rs53576 GG genotype is being investigated as a potential empathy gene. Neurogenes such as this one cause slight differences in function that lead to different personalities or abilities of the people who have them. Autism is likely caused by a number of different mutations stacking up to reduce social ability. Depending on how many of these neurogenes are mutated, affects the individual and has them placed differently on the autism spectrum. With the question of empaths in relationships with narcissists, who feel connection problems, even abuse, it is possible that this genetic difference in empathy may be at the heart of the problem. After studying narcissism and highly sensitive people for many years, I discovered this genetic portion, which has potential as being the difference between these groups. If you've been diagnosed as a highly sensitive person and perhaps self-diagnosed as an empath, you may find the research on rs53576 of particular interest in understanding your enhanced empathic abilities. When analyzing someone you may think of as a narcissist, you may have actually found someone with the other polymorphisms of this oxytocin receptor. Many sources of conflict could arise from someone with the empathic version of the gene not understanding the more stunted version of empathy that someone experiences when they have these mutations of the oxytocin receptor. Some of my goals in this field is to explore this concept further as more is known. Thank you for tuning in. I appreciate you, and please watch for more videos in the future. Goodbye.